But truth is rarely simple.
Every human believes they know the truth. Then maybe we've been asking the wrong question.
The world feels louder every year,
Noise often hides wisdom.
and confusion grows where wisdom disappears. I saw something out there.
What was it? We need to be careful.
What is that?
Look, it's forming. Peace begins with a question. Incredible.
And truth begins with listening.
Then let's listen carefully. Why do humans fight over belief? Because belief becomes identity, and identity becomes pride.
Faith was meant to guide the heart.
But humans turned it into territory, like teams competing. Anger spreads quickly,
Especially when fear is involved.
and fear spreads faster than truth. So everyone believes they are right. Most people are searching, but few stop to question themselves. Most hearts seek peace,
Even when minds argue.
so the goal is the same. Wisdom has existed for thousands of years, but power often rewrites wisdom. That explains history. Power discovered belief could control people,
And control brings influence.
and influence brings conflict.
Crowds are easy to guide.
Especially when emotions are high. Fear becomes the steering wheel. Anger travels quickly,
But truth moves slowly.
yet truth lasts longer,
Kindness still exists.
even in difficult times. It just doesn't make headlines. So the real problem is inside us, the human heart and the human ego.
When balance disappears,
Why does strength turn violent when strength loses compassion?
compassion heals.
Strength protects, so both are needed.
The ancient answer.
And the forgotten lesson: balance.
But leaders still compete. Power attracts ambition.
And ambition often forgets humility.
Money influences decisions.
Nations depend on resources, and resources create tension. So religion, money, and politics mix together,
Yes.
and that mixture becomes unstable.
The world becomes chaotic.
But chaos also reveals truth. How?
It exposes what was hidden. And kindness rebuilds the world quietly.
Because ordinary people still choose kindness. I wish that world was bigger.
In small, everyday moments.
It already exists. We just overlook it.
The change begins inside you.
In every human heart. That sounds simple.
It requires courage.
And honesty.
The mind must learn to listen.
The heart knows truth. Maybe humanity forgot that.
Truth flows like water.
It cannot be forced, but it always finds a path. Every choice matters,
Every action shapes the future.
even small ones.
Humanity is stronger together.
Division weakens everyone.
That seems obvious. Adults teach division.
Children understand unity. Then we must teach better.
Working together.
Sharing resources. That builds peace. So the future is still open.
Yes.
It always is.
One planet.
The world is one family, one shared future. Fear divides,
Love unites.
and truth guides.
The answer was never complicated. Humans made it complicated.
Maybe we can simplify again. Listen,
Think.
act wisely.
The world is not hopeless. It is unfinished.
And we are writing the next chapter.
The future belongs to those who choose peace.
And protect truth, even when it's difficult. Then the work begins now,
Yes.
with you.
The voices inside you.
Are your compass. I will listen. Trust the heart
Guide the mind.
and walk forward.
Humanity is connected.
Remember, we rise together.
One planet.
One people.
One chance. Choose compassion.
Choose wisdom. Choose courage.
The truth was always simple.
Love one another. Protect our shared world.
Truth does not divide us.